How to sign up and create your first Lovable project. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is lovable.dev. From in there, you should be able to see this. So into this part, you can just click on this get started right here in order to create an account. You can also just ask Lovable a prompt right here and it will create a particular website for you. But let's not get tired of ourselves and click on this get started for now. Now in here you have two options. You can either continue with Google, continue with GitHub, or you can also use standard method, which is the email and password options. Make sure that this right here is enabled and head over and click on this create an account option. Let me head over and fill this up. Once you have done this, Lovable will actually send you in your confirmation email. You just need to head over and click on it in order to actually set up your account. Once you click on it, this will load into this new page wherein you can actually enable your account from there. This will verify the email, and once the email has been verified, you will be redirected to the Get Started for your account. Input right here your full name. So let me head over and input right here this. You can choose in here what look you want and click on continue. Choose wherever you want to hear from them. And into this case, let me just skip this because you have the option to skip that. And in here, you can just build something with Lovable. So that's how you sign up and create your first Lovable project. I hope this video helped you out.